Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to make money on YouTube without making your own video. I'll show you guys all the secrets to use. So without further ado guys, let's dive right into it. Welcome back guys, I'm Chido original, and if you're new to my channel, I basically teach you guys how to make money online, how to invest your money and make your money work for you as well. So you might consider hitting that red subscribe button below and turning on the bell notification beside it, so you'll be notified each time I drop great videos like this that is giving you guys information and great content as well. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make money from YouTube without creating your own videos. Before I dive into that, I want to quickly educate you guys different ways that you can be able to make money from YouTube. So the first one is using the in-stream ads, bumper ads, and other types of ads. That type of ad is when you play a video. For instance, if I come here and play any video, for instance, if this is in-stream ad, it plays before the video starts and it asks me to skip after 5 seconds. So that's in-stream ad. The owner of that channel earns money each time that kind of ads occur. So that's how basically it works. As you can see from this video, this is an advert playing, and you know an ad by the timeline is yellow. This is yellow right here, and I can skip the ad real quick after 5 seconds, and they don't charge the advertiser until I've watched the ad up to 30 seconds. So if I skip now, they don't charge the person that plays this ad here. So that's one cool thing about this in-stream ad. So this is a cool way to make money. So if I watch this ad to 30 seconds, this guy that owns this channel, which is Success Secret TV, will automatically earn money from this ad. So that's in-stream ad for you guys. And they have bumper ads that come once in a while, and they have banner ads as well. So they have a whole lot of ads here. So this is the #1 way you can start earning on YouTube by starting a YouTube channel. The second best way you can earn from YouTube is video sponsorship. If you have a YouTube channel and someone, a marketer out there, wants to sponsor his or her products online using your platform, that's the YouTube platform, they pay you huge amount of money. I myself, I know how much I've earned from sponsorships, whereby someone will contact me, I will say that they want to do a video review. I show them to review their products on my channel, and once I do the review, they pay me on agreed payment. So that's basically how it works. It might be 50% before you do the video, and after you do the video, they pay you the rest 50%. So this is the second best way you can earn money on YouTube. And one cool thing about sponsorship is that you can start getting sponsorship even before you get monetized on YouTube. That's this in-stream ads and bumper ads and the rest. Before you start earning from this #1 method of earning, you can start getting sponsorship by starting your YouTube channel. So this is a very good way to start earning money. So make sure you start your YouTube channel right now. So the third way you can start earning money on YouTube is called affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is simply when you come to YouTube videos, like let me say this is a YouTube video, and I come to the YouTube video and I come to the description. If I come here and click on see more, I'll see some of the description, some links, YouTube links, Facebook links, Instagram, Patreon, and all that. So basically what affiliate marketing is helping people to sell their products, and you get a commission by being the middleman. So if you put your affiliate links on the description, maybe the camera you used for the video, you put the link to the Amazon where someone can buy it, and you register for Amazon Associates, you can be able to earn a commission by using the affiliate program. Or you add your item on any affiliate program out there, Clickbank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, Digistore24, which I've covered on this channel. If you haven't watched those videos, check out those videos and learn more. So once you put the links on the description box, and anybody that purchases one of those products using your link, you automatically get a commission. So that's another way to earn on YouTube. That's the affiliate marketing program. So you can earn through affiliate marketing on YouTube. Just combine the two and make a whole lot of money for yourself. Okay, the fourth way you can earn is called donations or Patreon, what they call Patreon. So basically on YouTube they have Patreon, like this link that I opened earlier on. If you go to the description box, you see their Patreon. So this is their Patreon link, and what Patreon is, if I open this on a new tab, what it is basically whereby your super fans, the people that are your common fans, can actually patronize you and pay per month. Like they have $5 per month, $15 per month, $5 per month, and you can join their Patreon. And what this allows you to do is that you can see behind the scene of the creator. So I can see behind the scene of this creator, this Abba and Preach guys. I can see what they're doing behind the scene. I can see some clips that they didn't release on YouTube or any other social media outlet. So they can put all those clips here, their photos, personal pictures and all that. So I can know more about them by subscribing to their Patreon. So if I subscribe to the $5 every month, they deduct $5 from my account, or 15 or 25. So this is kind of donation. And some people like to put on their description box as well. They like to put, let me pause this video. On their description box, they like to put maybe their PayPal link, whereby you can put your PayPal link as prompt people to donate to your PayPal, so they can easily opt into your PayPal and donate some dollars there, and you can earn from donation. So that's one cool thing about donation. Another one is doing live chat, whereby you can get super stickers and super chats and all that. Donations, people can donate on live chat and all that, so you can get money from that. So that's the 4 different ways I'm showing you guys how to earn money on YouTube and how to start your YouTube channel in 2021. So make sure after watching this video, start your channel. So real quick, the 5th way, I'm going to show you guys how to start making money on YouTube without making your own videos. In case you're on YouTube and you don't have time to start creating YouTube videos, but you want to start earning, one of the channels that you can start with is like sleep or gym music. Let me say gymming music. I click on search. So as you can see, this is gymming music, and if I check the duration, I bet it's more than 1 hour, and it has up to 24 million views already. So 2 years ago. So this is gymming music. This is best workout music, 11 views, and this is 1 hour plus. This is 55 minutes. All these videos are long. This is 1 hour 56 minutes. This has 111k views already. So you can start a channel on this niche about gymming music, whereby you can upload your videos about gymming, any song that is motivating, and you put a visual behind it. So this example, let me open up this first one real quick, and I'll pause it so that the sound won't disturb you guys. So if I click on pause here, it pauses the song or the music itself. So basically this is a channel, Body Mix TV. So you can start a gymming channel whereby you just upload videos like this and see a whole lot of traffic that is getting up to 25 or 24 million views rather, and it's up to almost 1 hour length. So imagine this, and you place ads on all the videos that you have here. Imagine how much you'll be making per month. So this is another cool way to start earning a lot of money. So you can open this as well and start creating content about gymming music. Just put inspirational music there that is energetic, that will help people to gym. So I might click here and click on sleep music. So you might just create a channel that is dedicated on sleep and also gymming music, so that people can just listening to them, and once they put this music on, they just forget about it, forgetting that your video is playing and you're earning money from the in-stream ads, the bumper ads and all that. So you're making a lot of money, and they might leave it for hours, up to 6 hours, 10 hours without mind. So another cool one is the sleeping or meditating, relaxing music. So if you create a whole channel about this and start uploading cool soothing songs or energetic songs, depending on the purpose, like this is live, it's a live, this one is going live right now, and 10 people are watching, 10k people, that's 10,000 people are watching already. So this is another one, relaxing sleeping music, deep sleeping music, relax. This has over 254 million views, 254 million views 4 years ago. So this is huge. Just this single video have made this guy a lot of money. Anybody that owns this channel, so let me open up the channel real quick. So anybody that owns this channel that have made a lot of money from this is 254 million views from this video, and it's up to 1 hour. So imagine you place ads every 10 minutes, you know how much you can make from 254 million views for just one video, and you can have a whole lot of videos on your channel, and all of them are making you a lot of money. So this is a very cool way you can start making money, start sleeping music, start gymming music. And now if you don't know how to start creating content, I'll show you guys how to start creating content for yourself. So if you come here, click on filter. In case you search for sleeping music, click on filter here, and you can sort it by last 1 hour, today, this week, this month, this year. You can sort it by video, channel, playlist, movie, shows. The ones that are shorter than 4 minutes, the one is longer than 20 minutes. You can sort it all by this. But here is what I want you to check on. Come here and click on Creative Commons. Click on Creative Commons. What Creative Commons does is that it filters the results by the ones that is copyright free. Now if you are gaining value already on this video, smash that like button below so you encourage the YouTube algorithm, so more people will see this video and gain as well. So this video right here is free copyright. So if I download this video real quick and upload it on my own channel, I won't have any strike on the video because it's copyright free. That's why I filtered it by Creative Commons. Creative Commons means any creative creator out there can use the content freely without any copyright issue. So all these results that I'm seeing regarding sleep music are free, so I can easily download any of them and upload it myself on my own channel and start making money for myself. So there's no competition here. So that's how to create your own videos without make money on YouTube actually, without creating your own videos as well. So this is a free video to use. So if I come here and click on this, so I'll copy this link real quick, and if you want to download any YouTube video, come to youtube.com. I'll leave a link below in the description box so you can easily access this wonderful website. So once you come to this website, just paste the URL here on the link that will show you, and you automatically download the video on your local computer, and you can start uploading it on your own channel, creating a nice thumbnail that is different from this thumbnail, so it won't conflict with this. Okay, or you can even just get the music itself, change the video itself, because a lot of people like this, up to 40,000 views already. So you can just create your own and start uploading it with your own thumbnail, title, and just make it unique. And if you want me to do a detailed video on YouTube SEO, just leave it on the comment section and I'll do it as well. So that's a cool way to start making money on YouTube without making your own videos as well. And like I said earlier, these are the benefits of starting a YouTube channel in 2021. So after watching this video, make sure you start this YouTube channel rather, and start making a lot of money for yourself. So that being said, guys, I'll see you guys on my next video.